how to add the Outlook calendar shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. Next, in here, scroll down and then tap on Outlook. Now touch and hold on the calendar shortcut and drag it to your home screen and let go. After that, tap on the calendar shortcut to quickly open up your Outlook calendar. Now, if you haven't set up your Outlook account before, then when you tap on the calendar shortcut, it will ask you to sign into your Outlook. So if that is the situation, then simply just sign into your Outlook account, and then after that, you'll be able to access your calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.